everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's my first time filming a voiceover makeup tutorial. I'm starting off with a bare faced, but I already did my skincare because it's important to prime your face before applying makeup. Now I'm using a concealer with the same shade as my skin to cover up my pimple marks. Now I'll let the concealer dry up on my face for a bit so it will give me the full coverage that I need. I am now using a light concealer shade to cover up my dark circles and also highlight the highest point on my face. Moving on to the base, I'm using a foundation and mixing it with a serum to give me a glowy finish. Of course, Kilay is life, but I'll be doing my brows off cam. Now since I've used a foundation shade darker than my complexion, I'm now going back again with my light concealer shade and highlighting the highest points of my face. To set everything in place, I'm now using a translucent powder. And to also set my brows, I'm using the eyebrow gel by Wet n Wild. Now to bring back the dimensions that I don't really have, I'm now using a bronzer. And the reason that we're using bronzer is because we don't want to look dead, you know, even though the society is already doing it. Using the same bronzer, I'm putting it all over my lid. Also forgive me if I sound like this because I'm sick. Alam nyo, kakatapos ko lang panoorin yung Itaewon class and sobrang nagandahan talaga ako sa eyeliner ni Iso. Kasi nakita ko na parang eyeshadow lang siya then pinatukan na eyeliner. That's why I'm showing you how to do it, guys. Using any kind of dark brown shadow, I'm using it to do a wing on my lids. Here's me literally brainstorming on what to do next. Dinner it is. So I want to thank my friend Jewel Messina. Mwah, I love you, mahal kita. Mwah, mwah, chup chup. That I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to get this peach eyeshadow and put it under my eyes. Now I'm putting a highlight shade or highlight eyeshadow dyan sa mutaan natin. Mutaan. As you can see, biglang tumubo yung pilik mata ko. Charot. I placed my false eyelashes off cam and I'm now using a mascara to make dikit with my natural lashes. Fudge. Now for the blush, I recommend you guys to use a light pink shade instead of peachy or red, so it will brighten up our faces. And of course, since this is a glowy makeup look, of course we need to put lots of highlighter. I'm putting it on my nose like that, vibing. Yeah. Now let's take a moment of silence in this part, like, whoa, damn. Whoa, the highlighter. Y'all could never. Your highlighters could never. Moving on to the lips, I'm using a light pink lip liner first for the outer part of my lips. And I am gonna be using this Peripera Ink Gelato in red. Whatever red lip tint you have, go use it. Now, what's a glossy makeup look without lip gloss, dude? Get it right. Sure. So I'm now using a lip gloss to gloss my lips, of course. And now I changed into a pink top para soft girl ko, no? Ayan. As you can see, I look cute. You can use a headband, and I can't believe I'm using a black headband. For what? For my black hair, can't even see it. Anyway, that's it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. I made it for 5 days. Follow all my social medias. Instagram at Chanel Main. Twitter at Meow with Chanel. Stay safe, wash your hands, sanitize, and stay home. Bye guys. Mwah.